12 months in the year. I'll give you the first one. Because from 2 to 12 carry numbers. Enero,
Arufudahati, 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 Arufudahati.
Very good. Try that again. Enero. No. Again, wait. Alright? The first one, that's the only one. Let me hear. Happy the year here. Let me have a both of them here. Okay? Enero. Very good. Now, let me see now if you're practicing. Let's share our birth month. You won't give the year, just the day and the month. Like me, I'm DC said the leader CC hat. What is that?
It's the 17th of June.
Very good. DC said the leader CC hat. Right, remember? Right? Yeah, 17th of June. Okay? Uh-huh. So, okay? What she just said? When you saying the leader CC hat.
Kairumo.
No, we don't. When you saying the leader CC hat. No, not October. CC. Yeah. So 25th of June. Pay attention to
6 months before Christmas.
your mountain day. This we do leader hat. 18th of August? Okay. This we do leader hat.
Biyama, Linan, we do hot.
Okay.
Biyama what?
2nd of August. Yeah, day and
Okay. This is Santa. This is Santa. This is Happy.
okay. 17th of October. Okay. 19th of May. Okay, that's 27th of March.
So you say Lida before the month.
Okay, 8th of April. Yeah. Easter Sunday. We sing birthday.
Wafedo ha.
Most of leader DC hat. Okay. Oh, you're a Gemini like me, huh? Okay. 11th of June. Leader 3rd of March. Yeah, leader.
Say it again.
Alright. So don't forget that now. So when it comes to a year, like I say, if you're born from 60s, right, it will be Wayne. If you get into the 70s, Wayne DC. If 71, Wayne Unso. 72, Wayne Duso. Until you reach 76, then you go DC CC, DC 7, DC Middle, DC Next Wayne. Right, and you carry on with 90, the same thing. Okay. Everybody, colors. Okay? I give you the English, you give me the Garifuna. Black.
Weriti.
White.
Haruti.
Red. Blue.
Dignity.
Yellow. Purple.
Gochu.
Orange.
Aransu.
Brown.
Sauti.
Pink. Green. Okay, or you will use Wiriya, Wuti, or Wirigi. Okay. Now, random calling. Green. Red.
Unati.
Yellow.
Dumari.
White.
Haruti.
Pink. Blue. Okay. Kaluwegi Bay, Wafani Dira. Hafani Dira Garino. Kaluwegi Bay, Hafani Dira Garino.
Yellow, white, and black.
Garifuna.
Lidan Garifuna. Kulesi.
Luwegi Wafani Dira. Haruti. No. Wait. Luwegi Wafani Dira. Dumari. Haruti. Luma Wiriti. Lisuni Dumari. Lu. Habiba la Garinogo. Worasu. Luma Lafa Shuweyo. Right? Luma Lafa Shuweyo. Luma Wega Ereba. Lelewegi Ereba. So the meaning, hope and prosperity to the Garino people. The sun rises from the east, and the color of the cassava bread, which is a staple food. Right? Then the white stands for peace. Right? And the black is 300 years of darkness that the Caribs struggle. With the French, with the Spaniard, with the British. Until 1795, when we lost our chief of chiefs, Joseph Chatway, the 14th of March.
Where do we find that information?
DaleAranda.com.
All right. So now we go into the MBLTWHH pronouns. Right? Like I explained before, right? When it comes to I, you, because of our language of mother and father, right? The language of our father who are the Caribs and the language of our mother who are the Arawaks. When you have the pronoun I, it will be our mother say Nuguya, while our father, the Caribs, say Au. For you, our mother say Buguya, while our father, the Caribs, say Amur. Right? So when you conjugate, right, like you conjugate Ugutu, Uguturu, right, which is mother. My mother. Your mother. His mother. Her mother. Your mother. Plural. Your mother. Plural. Our mother. Right? Don't be, right? Our mother. Your mother. Plural. Then dear mother. Okay? And like I was explaining, kala nengube, lele bidi alla atwa bugusho, lubadero aba erang bongo, aba bengo abalu duno, igo bugusho. Which where's the mother? Walube abadene erami. Aba familia, erang bidi aba familia ahora. Mabuse bidi lukara aba igo bugusho. Aba abo bugusho. No, Pugushu. Where is your mother plural? Right? Or if you want to ask Isani, right? Yaba, Hagushu. That means you're asking Isani, where is their mother?
His family.
No, not his mother, but yeah. If they're, you know, if you want to bring them. Okay? So let us not be confused. This is asking one person, and this is asking more than one. Okay? So, Bugusho, Hugusho. Igong Bugusho, Igong Hugusho.
Wait, so when you're asking, so for Hagushu, you're asking another person?
Yeah.
Where's
Their mother. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like if you find a friend, in the house, you won't ask him how bush. Right?
Can we do a dialect, you and I, if I ask you a question, with the how? Oh, sorry.
That will be next.